Hello everyone, this is Bhushan Dandvekar from Srimati D.G. Agarwal Memorial English Medium School, Nawapur. In this part 1 educational video lesson, we are going to learn Standard 3rd, Subject Social Science, Unit 5th, The Colorful North. So, let's get started. In this educational video lesson, we are going to see the city Delhi, its government officials, tourist attractions, climate, and transport system of Delhi. Delhi, the capital of India. It is situated on the banks of river Yamuna. It is known as National Capital Territory. Delhi consists of two cities, New Delhi and Old Delhi. The city was planned by Sir Edwin Lutyens. Delhi shares its border with Uttar Pradesh in the east and with the Haryana on the other three sides. The Delhi Sultans, the Tughlaqs and the great Mughals ruled from here. Shahjahan built his capital at Delhi and called it Shahjahabad. This part of the Delhi is called Old Delhi. New Delhi built by Britishers. Government officials. The main offices of the Government of India are located in New Delhi. The highest law-making body is also here. It is called the Parliament. New Delhi is our national capital. All the government offices of India are located in New Delhi. The Rashtrapati Bhavan or the Presidential Residence is the official home of the President of India, located in New Delhi. The Parliament House carry out the sessions, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. The governments of other countries also have their offices in New Delhi. These are known as embassies or high commissions. Tourist attractions. Delhi has many ancient monuments: the Red Fort, the Jama Masjid, the Qutub Minar, and the India Gate. Many tourists pay homage to Mahatma Gandhi at his Samadhi in Rajghat. There are also places of worship like Birla Mandir, Jama Masjid, Lotus Temple, etc. It attracts many tourists on a large scale because of its majestic stars and ancient sculptures. Climate of Delhi. Delhi experiences very hot weather during summer and cold in winter. During summer, heat waves blow in the city, making it really hot. These hot winds are called Lu. The city have the rain during July, August and September. Population in Delhi. In Delhi, one can meet people from different parts of the country. They live and work here. They speak different languages. Thus, we can call Delhi a mini India. The men wear trousers and shirts. The women wear salwar, kameez, saris, jeans, skirts and other dresses. Transport in Delhi. Delhi has various means of public transport. The Delhi Transport Corporation (DTC) operates thousands of buses every day. Lakhs of people travel by metro. The metro is the pride of Delhi. Let's do some quick revision. Delhi is the national capital of India. The highest law-making body called Parliament located in New Delhi. There are many monuments in Delhi. The Red Fort and the Jama Masjid are the heart of the national capital Delhi. Delhi is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. The metro is the pride of Delhi. This is the end of this video. Thank you. God bless you all.